talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like.
Hi everyone, my name is Chelsie Jessika, and today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial using the brand new Jackie Aina palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So the first shade we'll be taking is Ginger, and this shade blends so beautifully. It's so buttery and so soft, and I absolutely love how it transforms when you really blend this color out. And so after that, we'll be taking Edges, and we'll be basically deepening up that first shade, and we'll be focusing that right on the outer corner and slightly bring it in.
You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel, so I get scared every time you.
And this next shade we'll be taking is Sponsored, and it's this gorgeous metallic green that shifts into like a multi-dimension color, and I think it goes so well with the transition shades. And you guys probably know this, but I don't really use green in my eye looks, but I just had to use this color because it was so pretty. And then I'm gonna go back with Edges and basically blend where those two colors meet. Next we'll be taking Lituation, and I apologize in advance if I pronounce these names wrong or weirdly. But anyways, we'll be taking this gorgeous metallic shade and basically putting it right where the matte and shimmer meet, just to give a little bit more dimension. And then going back in with Ginger, we'll be smoking that on the lower lash line, and I'm going to take this pretty deep because I do want this look to be pretty dramatic. And then I'll be taking Edges again to deepen up that color and add onto the smoky eye. And then I'm going to be taking this blending brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and all the products will be listed down below so you guys know exactly what I'm using. But I'm going to be using the same brush that I use for the transition shades and really smoke out that color. Next we'll be going in with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I'm just going to make a very small wing, maybe like medium size, just not too big, not too small, and it's just going to add a little more flair to the look. And I haven't done these in a really long time, but I actually really like this liquid liner. And then for lashes, I'll be using the Kiss lashes in the style Brassiere, you know, my all-time favorite lashes. And I'm going to pop those on, and it just completes the entire look, as you can see. Next we'll be taking this gorgeous gold shade called Dwalas, and again, sorry for the pronunciation, but we are going to put that on the inner corner, and this is one of the prettiest golds I've ever used, and I love how it's light enough to use in the inner corner. And then going on to foundation, we'll be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, which is seriously my go-to foundation that I use every single time that I wear makeup now, because the finish is just so beautiful and it just sits well, really well on my skin. And it's just really, I don't know, like there's just so many good things about it. If you guys haven't seen my review on these foundations, I'll link it up in the corner below, so be sure to check that out.
Looking dumb, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel.
After blending in the foundation, we'll be taking the new setting powder from ABH, and I'm going to be taking their nice fluffy brush and just really dust it all over the face. I don't want to set it too much because I don't want to lose that luminosity. So as you can see, you can still see that glow from the foundation still peeking through. I will set the under eye a little bit more because that's where I crease the most.
I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you.
Next I'll be taking the ABH bronzer in the shade Rich Amber, and I'll be taking their contour brush, and I'm just gonna contour the sides of my cheeks, forehead, and my jawline.
And I don't like all the compliments.
Next I'll be taking this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and I'm going to be taking the peach shade, which was one of the main reasons why I wanted to use this blush palette, because of that shade. And I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks as well as the tip of my nose, because I just really like that blushing look. And then we'll be setting the whole face with the Dewy Set setting spray, and this will just bring everything back to life. And then taking the new ABH highlighter, this is in the shade Vegas, and this is also becoming one of my new favorites. It's a really nice light yellow gold, so it goes really well with my skin tone. And it just, oh my gosh, do you see that glow? It's so stunning. And then taking the ABH lipstick in the shade Staunch, we are going to put that on the bottom lip. And then what I like to do is I like to press my lips together, and then I like to take my finger and blend the lipstick out. And I learned this from Jessica Vu. I noticed that she does this with her lipsticks, and I don't know why I haven't done it yet, but I've been wearing my lipstick like this because I just love how it applies better, and it just looks more natural, if that makes sense, because of how it's blended out. But anyways, that guys completes the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and let me know in the comments below if you are going to pick up this palette. I absolutely think it's stunning. I'm so excited to create more looks with this palette and show you guys what else I can make. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!
Don't like staying up and talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me.